Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Prism Plus Cyclone washer. The Prism Plus Cyclone washer is an elegant washer, as you can see from its matte black design, which I am always a fan of. And not only that, the door is made out of a tinted tempered glass, which contributes to this unique sleekness that is beautiful, and the leather accents just bring it together beautifully. It has an aesthetic that will be pleasing to any house. When you first turn the washer on, the main thing that is going to draw your eye is going to be the LED color panel. It is a touch panel and it is just gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it, and I'm really impressed as the colors are vibrant and it is really responsive to the touch. For the selection of programs, you are spoiled for choice, as there's everything from the AI Smart Wash, which is the most important to me because it auto-detects fabric and soil levels to optimize water, detergent, and also wash time. You're also getting a selection for wool, down jacket, rapid modes if you're in a rush for time, and even a super spa mode for bedding and toys needing sterilization against mites and pollen. There's also a tub clean function, so the Cyclone basically maintains itself, keeping itself clean for your clothes to be clean as well. Now, to select most of the programs, there's a knob that you turn, and as you turn it, it just beeps to let you know you're changing selection, so just press start and you're good to go. For detergent and softener, the dispenser is hidden very neatly right next to the touch panel and slides out easily. And what's great about the Prism Plus Cyclone washer is that it actually has auto dosing, and what this means is that it dispenses just the right amount of detergent and softener when going through the wash cycle to minimize wastage and ensures the load is washed efficiently. Speaking of cleanliness, there's also a UV light position on the drum side to eliminate bacteria and allergens to ensure that your clothes are sanitized perfectly for hygiene and fabric care. The drum also has a honeycomb design, which helps cushion fabrics with a water layer, which in turn minimizes friction and damage, and I've definitely noticed that my clothes come out less tangled and they also dry faster. Another thing I've noticed is the direct drive inverter motor in the Prism Plus Cyclone washer. The noise level when going through a wash cycle is so low that sometimes I have to actually take a closer look to make sure it's actually running, as it is quiet but powerful. I'm really very impressed with the Cyclone. The Prism Plus Cyclone washer comes in two capacities, a 11.5 kg and a 13.5 kg variant, so even for larger families, you can get a lot of laundry done, and the prices come in respectively at 1,199 SGD and 1,449 SGD. Overall, if you're in the market for a new washer, I would highly recommend the Prism Plus Cyclone washer, and it has really made laundry a bit more appealing and it just feels a lot less like a chore. I hope the video was helpful. Remember, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!